Top 10 Strange Things Rarely Seen in the Ocean. The ocean is a remarkable and captivating environment that has fascinated humans for centuries. It covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface and is home to a diverse array of plants and animals, many of which have yet to be discovered or studied. The ocean plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, as it absorbs heat and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It is also a source of food and livelihood for millions of people around the world, and it provides numerous recreational opportunities, such as swimming, surfing, and boating. The ocean is a place of mystery and wonder, full of strange and fascinating creatures, ancient shipwrecks, and unexplored depths. It is a vital part of our planet's ecosystem, and it reminds us of the vastness and complexity of the natural world. There are many strange things that happen in the ocean. Here are 10 examples. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 10. Bioluminescence. Many marine organisms, such as plankton and jellyfish, can produce light through a process called bioluminescence. This creates a beautiful, otherworldly effect when the water glows at night. Bioluminescence is a fascinating natural phenomenon that occurs when living organisms emit light. Many marine creatures, such as jellyfish, plankton, and certain types of fish, use bioluminescence as a means of communication, hunting, and defense. The process involves the activation of special chemicals within the organism's body, which release energy in the form of light. This creates a spectacular display of glowing colors and patterns, particularly in the deep sea where the darkness allows the bioluminescent creatures to shine brightly. Bioluminescence is not only a beautiful sight to behold, but it also plays a crucial role in the marine ecosystem by aiding in nutrient cycling and energy transfer between organisms. 9. Underwater crop circles. A species of pufferfish creates intricate geometric patterns on the ocean floor, using its fins to dig trenches in the sand. Underwater crop circles are intricate geometric patterns that are found on the ocean floor. They are created by a species of pufferfish known as torquegener, which uses its fins to dig trenches in the sand. The fish then swims in circles around the trenches, using its body to smooth the sand and create the intricate patterns. The purpose of these circles is still unclear, but it is thought that they may serve as a way for the fish to attract a mate or as a means of protecting their eggs from predators. Underwater crop circles are a fascinating and mysterious phenomenon that adds to the wonder and intrigue of the ocean's diverse ecosystem. 8. Methane seeps. In some areas of the ocean, methane gas seeps out of the seafloor, creating bubbles and plumes of gas that can be seen rising through the water. Methane seeps are natural occurrences where methane gas escapes from the seafloor and rises up through the water column. These seeps can take many forms, including bubbles, plumes, and seafloor craters, and can be found all around the world. Methane seeps are important in the carbon cycle, as they release large amounts of methane, which is a potent greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. They also provide a unique habitat for a variety of deep-sea creatures, such as tube worms, crabs, and bacteria, which rely on methane as a source of energy. Studying methane seeps is an important part of understanding the complex interactions between the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and living organisms. 7. Underwater lakes. Some areas of the ocean are so dense with saltwater that they form distinct layers that do not mix with the surrounding water, creating underwater lakes with unique ecosystems. Underwater lakes are unique bodies of water that exist within the ocean, where saltwater becomes so dense that it sinks to the seafloor and forms distinct layers that do not mix with the surrounding water. These lakes can be found in several locations around the world, including the Gulf of Mexico and the Mediterranean Sea. The conditions within these lakes create a unique ecosystem, with different types of bacteria and animals living in each layer. Studying underwater lakes can provide important insights into the ocean's circulation patterns and how they affect marine life. It is also a reminder of the incredible diversity and complexity of the ocean's many environments. 6. Ice fingers. In Antarctica, brinicles, or ice fingers, form when seawater freezes around an ice shelf, creating a tube of ice that extends downward and freezes everything in its path. Ice fingers are elongated, narrow columns of ice that form under the ocean's surface in extremely cold and salty waters. These structures are created when supercooled brine, which is denser than the surrounding seawater, sinks to the bottom and freezes upon contact with the slightly warmer seawater. The freezing process continues, creating a thin tube of ice that extends downward, forming the ice finger. These structures can be found in polar regions and in deep underwater canyons. Studying ice fingers can provide valuable insights into the ocean's circulation patterns and how they are affected by temperature and salinity gradients. 5. Seafoam. When waves break on shore, they can churn up bubbles and foam that create a thick layer on the surface of the water. In some cases, the foam can be so dense that it looks like snow. Seafoam is a natural phenomenon that occurs when ocean waves churn up organic matter such as plankton, algae, and other debris. This organic matter mixes with saltwater and air to form a bubbly and frothy substance that floats on the surface of the water. Seafoam can be found in various colors ranging from white to brown, and it can be thick or thin depending on the concentration of organic matter and the strength of the waves. While seafoam can be a beautiful sight, it can also be harmful to marine life if it contains toxic substances or if it accumulates in large quantities. 4. Tsunamis. These massive waves are triggered by underwater earthquakes or landslides and can travel across entire oceans, causing devastating damage when they hit land. Tsunamis are massive waves that are triggered by large-scale disturbances in the ocean, such as earthquakes, landslides, and volcanic eruptions. These waves can travel across entire ocean basins and can cause significant damage and loss of life when they reach coastal areas. Tsunamis are unique in that they can travel at speeds of up to 500 miles per hour in deep water, making it difficult to predict their arrival time and exact location. However, advances in technology and early warning systems have improved our ability to detect and prepare for these natural disasters, helping to reduce the impact of future tsunamis. 3. Rogue waves. These are enormous, unpredictable waves that can appear out of nowhere and can capsize large ships. Rogue waves, also known as freak waves or monster waves, are massive ocean waves that are significantly larger than the surrounding waves. These waves can appear suddenly and unpredictably, and they can be extremely dangerous to ships and coastal structures. Rogue waves can occur in any ocean and are typically caused by the interaction of multiple wave systems, but their exact cause is still not fully understood. While they are rare, rogue waves can reach heights of up to 100 feet or more, making them a serious threat to marine safety. Studying rogue waves is an important area of research, as it can help to improve our ability to predict and prepare for these extreme events. 2. Vortexes. Some parts of the ocean have strong, swirling currents called vortexes, which can be dangerous for ships and swimmers. Vortexes, also known as ocean eddies or whirlpools, are swirling patterns of water that occur in the ocean. These rotating currents can range in size from a few feet to hundreds of miles and can be caused by a variety of factors, including ocean currents, wind patterns, and differences in water temperature and salinity. Vortexes can have a significant impact on the ocean's circulation patterns, affecting the movement of heat, nutrients, and marine life. They can also create dangerous conditions for ships and other vessels, as well as provide unique opportunities for scientific study and exploration. 1. Sunken ships and lost treasures. The ocean is home to countless sunken ships, many of which are still undiscovered. Some of these wrecks contain valuable treasures and artifacts that have been lost for centuries. Sunken ships and lost treasures are a fascinating part of maritime history. Over the centuries, countless ships have been lost at sea due to storms, collisions, piracy, or other disasters. Many of these wrecks have been rediscovered by modern-day explorers, revealing a wealth of historical artifacts and treasures that have been preserved in the ocean's depths. These wrecks can provide valuable insights into past civilizations, trade routes, and maritime technologies. However, recovering these treasures can be challenging and expensive, and there are often legal and ethical considerations surrounding their exploration and preservation. Sunken ships and lost treasures continue to capture the imagination of adventurers and historians alike. Did you learn something new about ocean that you didn't know before? We hope you did. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing facts, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. If you have any specific topic in mind, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the end.